Okay, so there's Mindy waiting for our Saturday morning tradition, and Daisy's over here staring at me intently. And there she's gonna do it again, because well, she's excited, but I want everybody else to see this. So our Saturday morning tradition is okay. So these are the treats I'm using now, and I'm not getting any payment from them whatsoever. It could be any little treat, and so usually Daisy's barking, but she's been waiting for so long now that she stopped barking. So one goes to Daisy. This is really hard to do one-handed. And then one goes to Minnie. Now watch this. This is the fun part. Okay. Okay, so Mindy. She's gonna wait for it. She thinks it's coming. Oh, where'd it go? Here it is. So I still have it in my hand. See? Did you find it? She licked. We're gonna make sure she found it. See? And then Daisy gets a second one. And then Mindy gets the second one. Okay, Mindy. That one hit her head. But she watched it land, so she knows where it went. And there's only a few crumbs left, so Daisy can have that one. And Mindy can have that one. Good job. And then this last one, gonna have to split in half to be fair. There's hers. Oh, get the finger out of the camera field. And ready? Good job, Indy. Okay, and that's our Saturday morning treat, or any other morning that I'm here and the dogs are up, which is usually just Saturday morning. Well, I have you. Let's see. Milo's, I think Milo's cage is open. Yep, it is. But he's in there anyway. And there's RC. And, oh, and I bought some new toys yesterday. So, there's Lemon. Let's get down here. It's kind of dark, but here's all the Finchies. One's in the nest. I'm using the small tablet, by the way, so there's no light. So I bought a new spray note holder for the Finches because the one they have, that one, I don't like. It's hard to get the bigger ones in there, and then it only fits the small ones. I should have better luck with that one because it comes with a perch. And I bought this little toy here for them. So I'm letting it sit there so they can look at it, stare at it for a day or so to get used to the idea before I try to put it in a cage. And parakeets, again, like I said, it's kind of dark. Can't really see them. And the tablet doesn't have any light. But I bought that toy. Excuse my reach. This toy for them. Kind of that loofah sponge stuff that we like to use to rub our dead skin off, but apparently it makes for a good bird toy. So I guess we'll see. And oh yeah, the big one. So RC loves. There he is. Hi RC. RC loves his bells. He really loves his bells. So I bought this mammoth toy right here. It's even got a little face on it. It's got a big cowbell. Lots of ropes. Very heavy. So hopefully he'll enjoy that one. May get my money's worth, right, RC? Can you do that? Yeah? How close can I get to you? You gonna touch that? How close can I get to you? Hi, RC. He goes, am I on camera? Yeah, you're cute. Okay. There's Lemon again. Milo down there. And the dogs one more time. Okay. Everybody have a fun day, and see you next time.